Hello, Milano family. We are here once again with the fabulous Frankie Ford. That's a very catchy name. It's like Shane Schenkel. Anywho, so we are in condo number 2, and it's similar, but it's got a different feel. So I'm going to have you swoop this way, and we're going to look at the coffee station. And this is the fountain gold quartz countertop. It's wonderful. We've got the black Zenit cabinets once again, but it really gives it a lighter feel. It's a different look. It's functional, beautiful. We're going to swoop over this way. And Frankie, put your little 2 cents in right now about the feel. This is your favorite.
It is.
This is your favorite. Tell me why.
Well, it just has a warm, vibe to it. People just feel, they comment in the comment section how homey it feels. Like they feel at home here.
It's funny. It is extremely homey, but it's also just exquisite.
Yeah, it's simple, but yet still clean. And yeah, I like the. I think you mentioned earlier that the white countertops really makes it pop.
It really makes it pop. So let's look at the cabinetry here. So I'm going to cut in front of you. This is a beautiful, just really big functional pantry. Let's go once again. Big doors, and everything's hidden inside. And it's such a wonderful thing to have these large doors and drawers. Same thing. Everything really organized, It's all, of course, soft close, but this is just spectacular. We're going to come over this way. And again, it's popping with the fountain gold. The shelving, everything, it's just all put together. Let's go with the large poles once again. Super great. Lovely. Swoop on this way, and then we're going to turn and look at this whole wonderful thing. Frankie, tell us a little story about this. There's a little interesting history, backstory.
Well, back in the 80s, they built everything with a lot of walls, especially the kitchens. And when we took the walls down, we discovered we had water pipes. So our designer, our designer came up with this idea how to hide it and also make it look really cool.
Well, and it really came out fabulous. And once again, look at this. It's open space, large doors, the beautiful fountain gold. And then come over this way a little bit. This is just amazing. Look at this table. And it's popped right into this wall. So look how functional, but it really, really makes a statement. This is something that could be for you. So take a little look. And your ideas that you have out there in Milano land, we can make these visions come true. So come visit us in the showroom, or we'll see you on the next episode.